Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on TIA. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this breakdown from this rising wedge pattern, and after that the price line is testing the support of $5.45 and the support of 100 simple moving average on the 4-hour time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared almost 2 days ago with my members. And so far this move has produced almost 11% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared almost 2 days ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that TIA formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And you can see this was our buying zone that was starting from 14,636 and goes to 14,007. And this was our sell target zone, and our stop loss was below 14,007. And that, by the way, this move is formed with Bitcoin pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line has started a very nice reversal. First, it dropped more down inside this buying zone. Then we had a nice reversal and we the sell target down here. And this was almost 11% pump. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern on 2nd of November. And you can see that after the completion of the final leg, the price line was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some correction. And once it will be re-entered inside this buying zone, that was starting from $2.28 and goes to $2.13, then we can expect the next price reversal. And this was our sell target zone, and below $2.13 was our stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price again dropped down inside this buying zone, entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very, very massive price reversal, and this was almost 225%, very, very massive pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of TIA, and previously I've been showing you this breakout from the symmetrical triangle. And after this retest, I was telling you that we can expect another reversal, and the target for this breakout from this triangle was, by the way, here. That was approximately at $2.80, and you can see that the price line started a very, very massive reversal. And here we formed this rising wedge pattern and got rejected by this resistance of $7.30. And now recently we have also broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern. Now the price line is again bounced from the support of $5, and now it is moving above this support of $5.45. And this level of $5.45 has been previously breaking as a resistance here, support here, and now again it is breaking as a support. And at the same time, the price line is also testing the support of 104-hour simple moving average. Therefore, this can be a quite strong support. We have two support levels here, the 100 simple moving average and the $5.45 level. Therefore, it will be quite difficult for the price to break down these two supports together. However, if the price breaks down these two supports, then it can immediately drop down up till the next support that is here at $5. And by the way, the target for this breakdown is here from this rising wedge pattern at the bottom of the wedge, approximately at $3.22. But before that, we have a lot of support levels to be broken down. I'm expecting that after testing this support, the price can start another reversal. And then we need to break out these two major resistance levels. One is at $6.45. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and support here. And then we need to break out $7.30 in order to continue this rally to the upside that was started back here when it broke out this resistance of the symmetrical triangle. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.